Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain about excretion in animals. The process of removal of waste produced by living organisms is called excretion. Excretion in unicellular plants and animals takes place through diffusion. In multicellular organisms, the process is more complex. There are specific areas of the body that perform this function. Some organs of excretion in higher animals are just as follows. First one is kidneys. In higher animals, the cells generate waste such as urea when nutrients are broken down within them. These wastes are toxic and therefore have to be removed from the body. These wastes are transported by the blood to the kidneys. The kidneys process the waste and produce urine. This is passed through the ureters to the urinary bladder and finally removed from the body through the urethra. You can see in this picture, these are the main parts of urinary system. The undigested food is eliminated during egestion from the anus as feces. This should not be confused with excretion. Do you know the two kidneys in the body receive between 1100 to 2000 liters of blood per day? Because the body has only about 5.6 liters of blood, the blood runs through the kidneys to be purified once about every 4 minutes. Second organs is the lungs. Carbon dioxide produced by cells during respiration is removed through lungs by exhalation. Next, the skin. The skin offers a large surface area for losing body heat. A skin is supplied with a large number of blood capillaries and sweat glands. When there is a rise in temperature, sweat glands gets activated and produce sweat. Sweating leads to cooling of the skin due to the evaporation of sweat. Small amounts of urea, salts, and other metabolic waste are also eliminated through the sweating. So, in this chapter, just you have studied about transportation in plants and animals and excretion of waste in human body. So just go through the chapter carefully and try to draw some important diagram. The human excretory system in your notebook. You are also suggested to write down these keywords in your notebook. Thank you.